Hello, welcome to Tech Tutorials. Today we are going to see about Python installation with Opencv. So in this installation, we'll be starting from Python itself. So Python will be installed. After that, we'll be we'll be setting the environment variables, and after that, we'll be setting a Opencv installation. And finally, we'll be checking whether the code is working with Opencv. So this is the procedure we are going to handle today. So first of all, I'll go and search Python downloads. So Google. So with that, I'm going to the Python organization website. In that, downloads will be there. You'll be getting a latest version, what you want, what has been released. But I prefer going with the old versions. In a synchronized manner, we are going to do. So here we'll be getting the old versions. So in this, I'm going to select Python 3.6.7. So in that, it will be having different versions based on Mac OS and Windows with bit versions, 64-bit and 32-bit. So I prefer downloading x86 64 if you are using a Windows 64-bit laptop or computer. Otherwise, just install with 32-bit if you have. Just go with 86 web executable install. Okay, so just click it on and start download. It will take few minutes for downloading the particular exe file. If the exe file has been downloaded, just open it. You'll be having two preferences for installation. One is install now and another is customized installation. Install now will be having a predefined path which is provided by the Python installer itself, but it will be a long path. So while installing packages, it will take a 2 bit of approaching a long way to reach the particular installation file path. So it will take it is somewhat complicated while using the Python with new libraries. So I just go with the customized installation to change the path. So click the customized installation and go next and give browse and go to this PC and C:, and here I have already created a Python as a folder. Just I'm clicking that one, just okay. Otherwise you can create the path from your own also. So I'm creating under the Python 376 as a folder. Just give installation icon and press yes. Now it will take few minutes for installation. Okay. Once the setup was successfully installed, just close it and go to Windows, type Python, ideally in the Windows it will be having a Python 3.6 64-bit. Just click it down. It will be opening the Python shell window, which is our version we have installed. So just type a variable for testing whether the Python is working properly. So it's entering the values, print a, it's printing. Now I'm going to check whether the Opencv is installed or not. It's not installed now, but I'm just checking whether it is done or not for our reference. So while giving the import cp2, I'm importing the library, but it's showing the error module not found. So we have to install it now. So before installing it, I'll go and set up path variables. Okay, you may ask why path variables are required. I'll explain it. Let's go properties, advanced settings, environment variables, and on that go to path and you edit. So path variables is settled for accessing the Python from any of the path. So it is defining the path to be universal. Okay, for that only we are setting the environment variable. So just go to the Python installed folder. So this is a universal path because here we have the Python application. So just copy the path and go to edit environment variable. Already we have opened, so on that I already placed the path. You can place the path newly also, so I'm just placing it, showing. So come paste that one and press OK. So while placing the OK, the path will be stored. So likewise, while installation also we have to settle the path. That is also, installation also should happen in a universal manner. So for that I'm just copying this path also, and I'm placing the same path here in the environment variable. So both the paths should be settled, and press OK. So then OK, then OK. So if the path has been settled, we can access the files from wherever for installation. So if you consider like if you want to install the path from another folder, just consider this is the path. The library is installed, the Python is installed over this path, but I'm going to another path for my installation. So I'm going to this path. So here I'm going to type cmd and I'm going to import Python. Now the version can be able to work. So the Python is importable in any paths. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the new version what we require. So pip install Opencv Python. Press enter. So now it's collecting the Python Opencv package from online. For me it is already available in the cache, so it's downloading that one, taking that one. If it is not available, it will automatically download from the online. So after installation, it will be showing the successfully installed NumPy and Opencv. NumPy is the background package for Opencv, so it will be automatically installed while installing the Opencv. So the versions have been shown. So now we can import the package and we can check whether the Python is installed with the Opencv. So now I already have installed, place the command import cp2. So likewise I'm going to paste again it, so press enter. Now it doesn't shows any error, so the cv2 package has been installed. So likewise we can check the version of the cv2 also. So it shows the 4.4.0 is the version. So after completion of the installation of cv2, we have to trial a basic program to check whether the cv2 is working properly. So for that I'm creating a new Python script. In that I'm going to import the cv2 library. cv2.im read is the command for reading the image. So I'm going to read hello.jpg. This hello.jpg should be available in the path of the same code available. So I'll show that one. cv2.im show is the command. Is for showing the image. So while showing the image, we have to place a window name. So I'm placing the window name to be image window tt, and we have to place the variable of the hello.jpg read. So we have to place img as a variable I have placed. So this img paste variable should be placed over here to visualize the image. So after done with it, we have to place a cp2.wait key function. I'll explain the wait key function in upcoming lectures. Wait key is required for showing the image. So now save the image, save the Python file. So I'm creating a new folder and saving that one. Okay. This is the file name I have given. You can give your name, whatever you require. I'm just saving the code. So in the same path, I have to have the same image also, because only code has been created. So for that, I have to download some images. I'm downloading this image. So I have placed the image with .jpg format. You can place whatever you require. Save. Now go and run the code. Run it. So you can see the image. Here the image is in a partially cutted manner, because the screen size is that much only available, so the image is partially shown. Okay, that's it. We have installed Python with Opencv, and we have written image, and we have shown the image. This for this tutorial. We will be seeing other upcoming videos with upcoming tutorials with how to resize the image, how to edit the image, how to crop the image, how to rotate the image, and how to apply filtering techniques, how to apply histogram, and how to apply pattern recognition algorithms, and all in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.